Okay. So students, this is the next question related to graphs. Let me solve this. Yeah. Okay. It says use graph sheet for this question, and it's again a 5 marker. Takes 2 centimeters equal to all this, all this. Yeah. So again, as I told you, I'm using a normal graph sheet, which is an online version available to me. When you practice, please do use the 2 centimeter graph sheet. And yes, plot the triangle. Okay. So you have to plot a triangle basically, OAB. O is the origin. So it's already, it's not marked. I will just mark it out here. This is 0, 0. And A is 3, minus 2. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me just mark this. Then 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so let's mark our A. Where is A? 3, minus 2, fourth quadrant, isn't it? This will be A. I have marked A. And B is 2, minus 3. So it's 2, minus 3. It will be here. This is B. Now that I have A and B in place, what's the next thing? Yeah, okay. It says reflect this triangle. It's a triangle. When I say reflect a triangle, I don't have to really join the, points to draw a triangle. It's going to confuse me. I'll just draw dotted lines for now. Okay. So this should actually tell us that, okay, I'm drawing a triangle. Okay, I'll leave it at this. So it's a dotted line. I've just drawn the sides with dotted lines. Right, later let me fill it up. In case I get confused. That's why I just put the points. The points are prominent enough, and then the sides with dotted lines. Okay. So now, okay, what's it? Yeah. I name it as O, A dash, B dash. Okay. So you're going to reflect it about the origin. Remember, when you reflect about the origin, both the coordinates will change the sign. So what is A? A is 3, minus 2, isn't it? So A is 3, minus 2. And when you reflect it about the origin, it becomes A dash, which is minus 3, 2, which is second quadrant, minus 3, 2. See, this is A dash. Likewise, your B is, what is B? B is 2, minus 3, and the same transformation, that is when you reflect it about the origin, it becomes B dash, which is minus 2, 3. So this will be B dash. Okay, I have marked A dash and B dash. So we have cleared point A. Now what's the next thing? Reflect O, A dash, B dash on the y-axis. Okay. So basically you're getting another triangle. If I'm going to join them with dotted lines, see, this is what it looks like. See? Okay. Okay. So you're going to reflect it about the y-axis. So remember, now what is A dash? A dash is minus 3, 2. What is B dash? Minus 2, 3. So both of them are subjected to my, isn't it? So you get, what do you get? You get, okay, A double dash. Of course, see, origin will not change because origin is lying on the x-axis, on the y-axis. So no matter what you do, the origin will the point is unchanged or unaltered or untransformed, we can say. Okay, it remains as it is. So O will remain as O. There's nothing like O dash or O double dash. It remains at the origin itself. I mean, the same place, position. So now with my, A dash turns to A double dash. And when you perform this transformation, the x coordinate will change in sign. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. 2 remains as plus 2. And B double dash is the transform point of B dash. So that will be minus 2 becomes 2 again, and y coordinate doesn't undergo any change. So what is A double dash? A double dash is 3, 2. It is here. And B double dash is 2, 3. That is here. See? Okay, so now I have all these points. And so you got another triangle, isn't it? I'll just draw with dotted lines. Okay. See, even if I'm going to join them, what does it matter? Wait a minute. I'll just draw and see what happens. Okay, see here. I'll just see. I'm just drawing. It's like something like, it looks like the blades of a fan or something to me, like this. See, it's like this. See, it's like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Okay, let's get back to the points. We covered option B as well. Now, you have to reflect O, A dash, B dash on the x-axis, isn't it? See, A dash is what? A dash, uh, A dash is minus 3, comma 2. You reflect it about x-axis and you're going to get A triple dash. Okay. So A triple dash will be, oh, okay. See, the x-axis doesn't undergo change. It becomes minus 3, comma minus 2. Fourth quadrant, third quadrant. So minus 3, comma minus 2. This is your point A triple dash. Likewise, B is minus 2, comma 3. It will become minus 2, comma minus 3. This will be the point. Okay, B triple dash. So if you're going to join them, like before, if you're confused, you can use dotted lines, but mark the points prominently because you're, okay, wait, I think I made a mistake. This is B double dash is not here. B double dash is here. B double dash is here. That is minus 2, comma minus 2, comma minus 2, comma 3 here. Okay, so I made a mistake. Let me just erase this part. Okay, now I'll join them. Okay, so something like this. And that's it. We've joined everything. Now they are saying join the points A double dash. Okay. A double dash. Then B double dash. Okay. And then then B dash. Okay. Then A dash. So it's like this. I'll use another color which I've not used. Probably let me use green. Okay. So, so A double dash. See, I've joined A and A double dash. Then A double dash, B double dash, B double dash, B. In that order itself, you have to join. Please note. Otherwise, you will not get what you want. Okay. B double dash, B dash, B dash, then A dash. Okay. From A dash, where are we going? A triple dash. Okay, makes sense. We are going in the anti-clockwise direction. And A triple dash. This is your B triple dash. I haven't marked it, no? B triple dash. And okay, B triple dash. Then B dash. Okay. So B triple dash, and then back to B. And of course, B, you can join B to A. Actually, B, from B, it has to be A. Because if you're joining back to A, you get a closed figure. See? See here, let me mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, it's an octagon, isn't it? It's like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Not a regular octagon. The sides are not of equal length, you can see. Isn't it? A dash, B dash is shorter compared to B dash, B double dash, but it's an octagon. You can just say it's an octagon or an eight-sided polygon. In a eight-sided closed figure is called as an eight-sided polygon or octagon. Okay, you can leave it at this. So the 4 triangles are also shown here. In blue, I have drawn them. Yeah. So I hope this has been clear.